Alright, so I just finished showering. I just washed my eyes, soap and everything. And then now I just finished off with a cold shower. Cold shower rinse. Right now it's at lukewarm. That's how I take my showers. I take my showers lukewarm. And I always finish it off nice cold. This is cold as fuck, yo. Jumping into it never gets old, which is funny. Alright, let's go. When you're in it, control the breath. Your body is in shock, it wants to react. Just finish it off. Breathe. Cold shower power. Hello world, Son of the Soul here, ready to shine some light. How you feeling today? How you breathing today? Today we're going to be talking about cold showers and the importance of cold showers, what it can do to your life if you're not doing it right now, and how much it can affect you, what it can do for you. Now, there's so many benefits that you can get from doing cold showers, but I've decided to take out 3 that I feel like that were the most beneficial. As a man, you know, there are things that are very exclusive, that are exclusive to men in how cold showers affect males, but these 3 are, they're unisex. These are 3 experiences that you can experience, that you can have from doing cold showers. So, benefit number 1 is temperature tolerance. Now, I live in a place where there's 4 seasons, you understand? I live in New York City, and we have fall, we have winter, we have spring, we have summer. And when the seasons change, people's behavior change. Do you understand? The environment affects our behavior. It influences our behavior. And there's a problem with that if it's affecting you in an unproductive manner. So the process of staying in control, no matter the environment, gives you power. You take your power back when you are in control, as opposed to the environment controlling you. People's behavior are very reactive to the environment. And it's not just exclusive to temperature, but we can be very specific right now, right? With temperature, I remember back in the day, plenty of times where I do not want to get up out of my bed because it's cold. I just want to snuggle up. You know, I want to be nice and comfortable. I open my eyes, it's cold in my room, and I just want to roll in a little ball and fall back to sleep. You understand? As opposed to waking up in the morning, getting up even though it's cold, and being productive. So I know that back in the day, like, I was very reactive to temperature. Very reactive to temperature. The cold makes me not want to go outside. I just want to huddle in. I want to be nice and comfortable. Um, and that's cool. Like, I mean, there's nothing wrong with comfort, if you understand me. But the type of comfort you get, is it productive or is it hindering you? So you gotta make that discernment. Is it helping or is it hurting? Now, when you take cold showers allow you to take, for you to feel better in cold temperatures. You understand? And I tell you that helped me a lot because it's teaching me to learn how to respond to the environment as opposed to react to it. So even though it does feel cold, or if it's cold outside, whatever the case may be, I gotta do what I gotta do. Fuck the environment. I create the environment. You understand? I'm gonna manipulate the environment based on my actions. So that's number one. Temperature tolerance. Yes, it's a huge asset, especially if you live in a place where there's 4 seasons, and maybe it's too hot to go outside, or maybe it's too cold to go outside, or the temperature just isn't right. It's not to your liking, whatever. Like, none of that matters when you master temperature and you be responsive to temperature. You know what you got to get done. Do what you got to do. Now, number 2 is mental clarity. Now, when you jump in the shower, when you take a cold shower, it puts your body into shock. And this primes your brain to be ready for whatever's coming your way. You understand? It's teaching your body to be ready for action. Cold water is not necessarily going to kill you, which is a great tool because it mimics the fight or flight response when you touch very, very cold water. You know what I'm saying? When you get engulfed in the cold temperature. Now what happens? You get mental clarity. You are ready. You are more focused. I take my cold showers in the morning. It's 5 a.m. I'm tired. The sun isn't out yet. I just want to go back to sleep. I'm tired. I probably fell asleep a little too late. Only got a couple hours in. Maybe if I just get a half hour, maybe 10 minutes, maybe. The moment you jump in the cold shower, all that's gone. All that's gone. All that fatigue just washes away when you take a nice cold shower. Very refreshing. It allows you to be a lot more productive. For me, I like to be very productive in the morning. I like to get stuff out of the way in the morning, bright and early. So, yeah. This will definitely increase your productivity if you take cold showers. So that's boom. That's number 2. And now, number 3, I feel like is one of the best, is self-discipline. Now, the thought of taking cold showers, if you're not the type to like cold water in the first place, it sounds daunting, it sounds very tedious. What the fuck am I taking cold showers for? Why? Why do I need to do this? It's a very uncomfortable situation. But if you can sacrifice just being okay with being uncomfortable to obtain benefits that will help you in the future, then that's a no-brainer. You understand? That is the process of delayed gratification. Let go of something good to get something great. Maybe it feels good right now, Maybe it's better to just take a nice warm shower and feel okay now, But the the act of taking warm and hot showers, all that's supposed to do is supposed to wind you down. When you want to be up, when you need a upper to allow you to be primed and ready to be productive and to be focused instead of lounging around. You understand? Self-discipline. Now, if I could take a cold ass shower, and I don't like cold showers, God damn it, I could do so much more. Like, that could play out in other parts of my life. Things that I don't want to do, I could do. I just took a cold ass shower, man. Come on. I should be getting this done. And by making a habit of taking cold showers, you obtain self-discipline in the process. Cold showers. So the practice of taking cold showers allow you to experience more initiative, you taking more initiative to things that you feel uncomfortable doing in your life. It's practice. And it can start with 30 seconds a day, 20 seconds a day, 20 seconds a day. Start off taking a cold shower for 20 seconds. In and out. Gradually make it colder, gradually make it colder, gradually make it longer. You understand? And before you know it, you got a powerful tool that's got your back, that's allowing you to make it, to win, priming you to win. Let's get it. So that's the 3 benefits that just about anybody can experience. I feel like they're the most important. Take heed to what I say. I learned this from Wim Hof Method. This guy is a beast. He's a beast. I love him. Check him out. I'll put a link to his channel down below. Like the video, share it, comment, let's talk. Let's spread the light. Stay bright.